Problem of class 10th, chapter linear equation in two variable, book example book, sample question 4. So students, it is also a very important question, and this is a very new question. It can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using two pipes. It means we have a swimming pool, and in this swimming pool there are two pipes are connected which fill the swimming pool. If these two pipe, we have to first sentence will be completed. It can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using two pipes, and if the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter for 9 hours, only half of the pool will be filled. Suppose this is our swimming pool, students. Then in this swimming pool, when we start both pipe together, then the first case it take 12 hours when both pipe are working, and the second case, in second case, the pipes take different hours, 4 hours, large diameter. Suppose this is the pipe larger diameter, this is the pipe of smaller diameter. Then larger diameter pipe is start at work for 4 hours, and smaller diameter work for 9 hours. Then these two pipes work in this hours, and they will fill only half of the tank. So now our question is, how long would it take to each pipe to fill the pool separately? Actually, the question, according to question, first we will assume that let the pipe of large diameter take X hours separately to fill the tank. Students, X hours to fill the tank if only large diameter pipe will work, and similarly the pipe of smaller diameter take Y hours to fill the tank. It means these are very important. These are our answer. X hours and Y hours are taken by the pipe of large diameter and smaller diameter separately. When they will work alone, then the large diameter take X hours and the smaller diameter pipe will take Y hours to fill the tank. So according to first case, if we see here, according to first case, the first relation, it means, student, one more thing we have used here. If in X hours the large diameter fill the tank, it means in 1 hour the large diameter fill the 1 by X part of the tank in 1 hour. Similarly, the smaller diameter pipe will fill 1 by Y part. Actually, we have the part of tank filled by large diameter pipe is 1 by X, and the part of tank filled by smaller diameter pipe will be 1 by Y. And according to first case, in 12 hours both will be full the tank. It means in 1 hour the part of tank will be filled 1 by 12 part. So students, we have to first equation will be 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 12. This is our first equation. This is our first equation. And similarly, if in second case, now in second case, large diameter work 4 hours, small diameter pipe work 9 hours, and the part of tank is half, will be full. It means the second equation will be in 1 hour the large diameter take 1 by x will fill 1 by x part. So in 4 by x plus 9 by y is equal to half, means 1 by 2. So now this is the second equation. And now in first and second equation, assume 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q. Then the equation will be p plus q is equal to 1 by 12. Or we can write 12p plus 12q is equal to 1. And similarly this is third. And similarly this will be 8p plus 18q is equal to 1. This is our fourth equation. Now we will simplify by elimination method, suppose. So elimination method, for elimination method, find LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. So now the equation number third will be multiply by 24 by 12 is equal to 2. And equation number third will be multiply by 24 by 12 means 2. And equation number 4 will be multiply by 24 by 8 means 3. When we multiply these two values, then this will be convert in equation number third will be convert in 24p plus 24q is equal to 2. And the fourth equation will be converting 24p plus 54q is equal to 3. And now these are the equation in which the coefficients of p in both equations are equal. So we'll subtract from third to fourth. This is again third, this is again fourth. So by 3 minus 4 minus cancel. And now it is minus 30. Q is equal to minus 1. Then q is equal to 1 by 30. And now q is equal to 1 by 30. Put in third, in this third. So now q is equal to 1 by 30 put here. Then the p will be fine. 12p plus 12 by 30 is equal to 1. Simplify it. 12p is equal to 30 minus 12, 18 by 30, and p is equal to, when we simplify it, 1 by 10. So p and q are fine, obtained. So now, but we want to find x and y. So by these two equations, it implies x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 30 hours. These are the answer. So in this way we will solve the questions. Students, in this question also the forming of equation is very important. So forming the equation, it is 2 marks, and solve the equation 2 marks. In this way we will got 4 marks. Thank you.